Hello everyone, welcome back to Sporaria YouTube channel. Okay guys, so in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to overcome settings menu that keeps stopping on Infinix Smart 8. Okay guys, so if your settings menu cannot open it and keeps stopping, don't need to be worried guys, because here I will give you a solution. Okay guys, so first thing first that you can to do is you can long press on settings menu on your phone like this, and then now you can go to apps info, and now go to storage and cache. So yeah, now we can clear all apps data to make it restart. And so yeah, you can try to open again. And if it still keeps stopping or still cannot open, so now you can restart your phone guys. Okay, you can long press on your power button like this, and then you can restart, and after that you can try to open the settings menu anymore guys. So yeah, here's the tutorial on how to overcome settings menu that keeps stopping on Infinix Smart 8, and thank you so much for watching.